We all know that there is currently a big confusion about what Samsung will call the bigger variant of the Galaxy Note 20. It could be the Galaxy Note 20 Plus or the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So let's talk about that. And these two words come at a very big price difference, and believe me when I say this, you do not want Samsung to call their upcoming flagship the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The Ultra name is so much worse for the consumers than what you might think. Also, for the release date and the launch event, watch my previous Note 20 video, okay? Before we get into the pricing of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20 Plus, let's have a small look at Samsung's history in India starting from the Galaxy S8. This may be different for your particular country as I based today's video on Indian prices. So the Galaxy S8 prices in India were 58,000 for S8 and 65,000 for S8 Plus. You can Google and fact check these prices if you want to, but I am rounding off the prices a little bit. Then the price for the Galaxy S9 was also 58,000 and 65,000 for the Galaxy S9 Plus. They didn't increase it even a bit, which for us Indians is a very good thing. For the Note 8, the price was 68,000. The exact same price was then kept for the Galaxy Note 9. They added so many features, increased everything from the Note 8 to Note 9, but kept the price exactly the same. Then comes the Galaxy S10, prices were increased by some amount. 67k was the new price for the S10 and 74k for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Prices also increased for the Note 10, it was 70k for the Note 10 and 80k for the Note 10 Plus. Then for the S20 series, prices once again remained exactly the same for the S20 and the S20 Plus, but they were increased for the Ultra. So this proves that in India, Samsung increases the prices once every 2 years. So for the Note 20, by this rule, they should keep the price exactly the same as the Note 10. Unless they name it the Ultra. If they name it Ultra, then that name will be separate enough so that Samsung has a good enough reason to increase the price way too much, and that's why everyone should pray that Samsung keep the Galaxy Note 20 Plus and do not call it the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, because in the case of the Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus, the prices will remain the same as the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. So the price in India for the Galaxy Note 20 should be 74,000 and for the Note 20 Plus it will be 85,000. That is with the new GST. As you all know, the prices of the Galaxy Note 10 were also increased this March. Like after 8 months of the launch, the prices were increased because of the new GST. But if they name it the Note 20 Ultra, then the prices will be even higher. It might even touch 100,000 rupees. See, that is how much of a difference the Ultra versus Plus makes. Calling it Ultra increases the price by about 15,000 rupees or about $200. Earlier, it was rumored that it will be called Plus, and Samsung is considering to keep the price as low as possible to compete with the iPhones, because nowadays Samsung is costing more than Apple, and that is not a good thing. The Ultra name appeared on the Bluetooth certification, but I still hope it will be called Plus because Bluetooth certification names could be wrong. The S20 series passed Bluetooth certification with the S11 name, so Ultra is not confirmed even if it appeared on certification. And like I have shown you with the example of past 3-4 years, you should really hope that Samsung doesn't call the Note 20 as Ultra. Ultra definitely sound cooler guys than Plus, but it's not $200 worth of cool just in the name of it. Still, things could change. Samsung could increase the price even if they call it Plus. It's their phone, whatever they want to charge it. I just based this video on the past Samsung behavior, so do take it with a pinch of salt. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Ultra versus Plus in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Follow me over on Twitter. And guys, thanks a lot for watching.